Hello everyone, welcome to Witch Hollow Homesteading. Today I'm going to show you how I vacuum seal the fresh blueberries that I picked. So I washed all my blueberries and I put them on a towel to dry them. I'm going to use my scale and a bowl and I'm going to measure out the amount that I need for Mr. Witch's smoothie mix in the morning. And this makes it easy because then I knew how many I kind of needed to pick and I didn't overpick to store in the freezer. This was really handy and I'm definitely going to do this next year. I've already measured and cut my vacuum seal bag and now I'm going to seal it. Time to dump my blueberries into the bag. I found that it worked really well if I used a funnel so that I didn't get blueberries everywhere. Now I'm going to vacuum seal these and I'm going to hit the moist button and then I'm only going to vacuum seal to the point right before they get crushed and I'll hit stop and then seal. And there it is. That's how I store our blueberries. Happy homesteading!